In this demonstration, you schedule WordPad to start at a predetermined time. You also configure Task Scheduler options. You are logged on locally with a user account that has administrative privileges. Click Start. Click Control Panel. Click Performance and Maintenance. Then click Scheduled Tasks. Microsoft Windows XP Professional opens the Scheduled Tasks window. Double-click Add Scheduled Task. Windows XP Professional starts the Scheduled Tasks wizard. Windows XP Professional displays a list of currently installed programs. To schedule a program that is not registered with Windows XP Professional, click Browse to locate the program. Windows XP Professional displays the Select Program to Schedule dialog box. Double-click Program Files. Double-click Windows NT. Double-click Accessories. Double-click WordPad. The Scheduled Tasks wizard displays a Type a Name for this task text box so that you can enter a name that is easier to recognize than the program name. Windows XP Professional displays this name in the Scheduled Tasks folder when you finish the wizard. Type Launch WordPad in the text box as the name for the task. You can determine how often Windows XP Professional performs the task. Your options include daily, weekly, monthly, one time only, when my computer starts, or when I log on. Click One Time Only. Click Next to continue. In the Start Time box, set the time to 4 minutes after the current system time and make a note of this time. Ensure that the entry in the Start Date box is today's date. Click Next. The wizard requires you to enter the name and password of a user account. When Task Scheduler runs the scheduled task, the program receives all of the rights and permissions of the user account that you enter. The program is also bound by any restrictions on the user account. The username you are currently using is already filled in as the default. You must type the correct password for the user account in both password boxes before you can continue. In both the Enter the Password text box and Confirm Password text box, type the password for the user account you entered. Click Next. Do not select the Open Advanced Properties for this task checkbox. Click Finish. Notice that the wizard added the task to the list of scheduled tasks. When the system clock reaches the time you scheduled Windows XP Professional to start WordPad, WordPad will start. After WordPad starts, close it. To configure Advanced Task Scheduler options for the Launch WordPad task, in the Scheduled Tasks folder, double-click Launch WordPad. Windows XP Professional displays the Launch WordPad dialog box. The tabs and options available in these tabs are the same options that are available by selecting the Setting Advanced Options checkbox in the last page of the Scheduled Task wizard. Do not change any of the settings. Click the Settings tab. Select the Delete the task if it is not scheduled to run again checkbox. Click the Schedule tab and set the start time for 2 minutes after the current system time. Click OK. When WordPad starts, close WordPad. Notice that Launch WordPad is no longer listed in the Scheduled Tasks folder as a scheduled event. The option of automatically deleting a task after it finishes is useful for cleaning up after tasks that need to run only once. Close the Scheduled Tasks folder. This completes this demonstration.